Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. So this is the session 2 on virtual labs. So we have seen one experiment on virtual labs. So today we are going to see the second experiment. The title of this experiment is Applying Attributes in HTML Tags. We have already studied the different HTML tags. So we'll just go further and check what tasks they have for us. Coming to the theory part, just we'll go through the theory. Attribute. What is an attribute? It is usually used to define the characteristics of an HTML element, and it is going to be placed inside the element's opening tag. All attributes are going to be made up of two things or two parts, that is the name and the value. They have also specified the syntax for the name as well as the value, how we have to use the name and value. Some attributes about the paragraph tag are also displayed. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you move mouse over the paragraph. Then we also have BG color attribute added to the body tag, and the attribute value can be numeric, hexadecimal or RGB colors. And then even for the text attribute is added to the body, so the value of text can be numeric or hexadecimal. Fine. So this was the theory about the applying attributes in HTML pages. Coming to your pre-test. So before starting this experiment, we need to submit this pre-test. So the first question for a pre-test is, what is the value of an attribute should always be kept in. So we have been given 4 options. So value should always be within the double quotes. The second question we have over here is, attribute names and values can be written in uppercase, lowercase, both or none. So you should always remember that attribute names and values are always written in lower case. The third question we have over here is, an attribute is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element. State whether the statement is true or false. So we had seen when we started with the theory, the first line was the definition of the attribute. So this is true. In HTML, each attribute is associated with a value. So when there is an attribute, obviously there has to be some value for the attribute. So this is again going to be true. Last question we have is, we can use how many attributes in a tag? Is it 1, 2 or more than 2? So the answer for this is 2 or more. So when I click on submit quiz, I find my score over here 5 out of 5. So this is the pre-test. Procedure, it is going to remain same for all the experiments. So we'll not go in much detail. We'll go to the simulation part. Okay. So now within the simulation part, you can see this is where your output is going to appear. So now when I click on these, now see, when I click on body, now body has so many attributes: BG color, background and text. Okay. So now BG color, if I make it as green, can you observe how the output over here is changing? So body, BG color, red, it's a light bit of cream, yellow. So this is how it is going to change. What is the actual code for that? We have written it on the right hand side. Okay, body BG color is equal to color name. We just need to specify the color name. Now coming to background. Can you observe, as I'm sliding through, the output is going to change. Text. Now only the text color is being changed. Okay. So this is about the body tag. Now font. When we are trying to use font, we have to use the face. These are the different handwritings you can specify. Can you see that? When I just say here fantasy, keeps on changing. Now coming to the next tag is the paragraph tag. It has 2 attributes, align and title. Within the align, we have still the value can be left, right and center. So when it is left, you can see the output center and then right. Coming to H, that is your heading, also has the alignment left, center, right. It also has the title as the tooltip we can specify. Now let's go and check what is the task. The task number 1 for us is Describe any two attributes of the body tag in HTML. So what are the two attributes we have in our body tag? It could be the BG color, and it could also be the font face what you have. So you have seen both these things over here. Okay, it could be background color, it could be text color. Okay, identify attribute for changing the alignment of content written in p tag. So if you want to change the alignment, you are going to use align attribute, which is having three values, that is left, right and center. The third task is design a web page using different attributes corresponding to various tags in HTML. So using these tags, okay, we need to write an program. So we'll start with, we need to come to a code section. We'll start with HTML. Okay, head, title, I'm going to give it as alignment. Okay, then coming to my body. Body tag. So first thing what I'm going to do is, within the body tag, I will first write one heading. Okay, I write it as h1. I write align is equal to right. Okay, what is that? Hello everyone. Can you see that it is aligned to right? Now for body, we need to use the attribute. So I am going to give body BG color is equal to light blue. Okay, that is the background color. I will even specify the text color. So I'm going to use the attribute text is equal to red. Fine. So we have specified the background color as light blue. You can see in the preview results section, you can see the output, and the text color is red. Now you will observe that here it is written as hello everyone, but within the output section you find only hello E, because we have aligned it to right. Now let's see what happens when I change the alignment to center. Now did you observe? It is being placed as a center, or it could be left. Okay, now let's try to change the font or maybe the handwriting. So I say font. You can observe over here font face you need to give, which if anything that you want to like select, Arial black or maybe monospace. Monospace, and then I write good morning. Can you observe my handwriting is written in terms of monospace? If I want to change it, I will make it as Comic Sans. This is how it looks. If you want some other font face to be tried, we can go for cursive. You can check cursive. So I write it over as cursive. Did you observe when I have changed the font face as cursive, the handwriting is changed. You can even make it as Consolus. Okay, so this is how we are going to work with the different HTML attribute tags. So this is your second experiment for your virtual labs. So we will see the third experiment in the next session. Thank you, students.